Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the new Performance Max for Marketplaces campaign type that Google launched several months ago. So basically what this is it's a way to run Performance Max campaigns for Amazon, for one, for eBay, and for other large marketplaces. So currently, only some specific marketplaces work with this. More are supposed to come online, but I can tell you Amazon and eBay are definitely in the fold. So what these are essentially, up until now, if you ran a campaign on Google Ads and pointed it to, say, like your Amazon store, you would serve ads and they would run just fine and people would click through and visit the store. But if somebody actually transacted on Amazon, there would be no feedback in your Google Ads campaign. So it'd just be basically a black hole, right? Hey, I'm spending a bunch of money. You could tag in Amazon. You could create tags so Amazon could report back, but that data would not flow back into Google Ads. So even if you had some sense of, oh, like I put in $4,000 last month and I got this many sales in Amazon, so things are okay. With Google not having the conversion data, you're never going to be able to properly optimize the campaign and you're never going to be able to properly use automated smart bidding. So this evolution or this change now allows you to get the conversion data back into the campaign. And that's really a game changer. So if you have an Amazon store, you don't have a web store, you can now run these campaigns directly to your web store. And Amazon really is going to be the principal marketplace here we're talking about. So it's interesting for sure. Do these work well? I have no idea. We haven't run any of these for our clients. We do have probably about 10% of the clients we have with ecom actually have an Amazon store. We have mentioned this exists to those clients. None of them have opted in for this. Is it going to be any good? Well, it's certainly going to be better than running ads without any conversion tracking. But as to the efficiency of this versus using Amazon ads or other channels, I really can't say. But I'm just kind of putting it out there because a lot of folks are not aware of what this is or what it does. So it is definitely an interesting development. And if you are one of our clients looking at this and you're curious, I'm happy to have a discussion. Or if you are just an advertiser and you're interested in doing this and you don't have, Google Ads set up or you're considering hiring an agency, then feel free to reach out as well. But I just want to kind of explain a little bit about what this is and what it does and what the key benefit would be. So again, short one today, just kind of informing you about this new campaign type. And that is it. So I will see you next time.